Welcome to the AI use cases for beginners series. These are short videos that's focused on tactical ways for you to use AI as a beginner to make more money, to save time, and save money in your business. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use AI for local expansion and get more sales. I'm Vin Nguyen, co-founder of WorkSmart AI, an AI growth partner agency where we help local B2B businesses grow using AI. Let's get started. In your local market, there's usually a second language that is dominant based on the demographics that are in that area. So for example, let's take my market, which is San Antonio, Texas. Here, the second most prominent language is Spanish. And let's say I own a home cleaning business and I want to tap into that market, but I don't speak any Spanish. So how do I use AI for that? The first use case here is I can use AI to translate all of my marketing materials into Spanish. Now, let me just give you an example of how we use AI just to write an ad in Spanish. Take a look. So I just used this simple prompt to ask AI to write a meta ad for me using a marketing framework called Problem, Agitate, and Solution. And in that, here's the ad in Spanish. Now, I don't speak any Spanish, so I don't know what this means. So just to make sure, I just had it translated into English, just to make sure it looks correct. And check this out. The ad says, you come home after a long day of work only to find a complete mess. It's frustrating. Instead of resting or spending quality time with your family, you spend your valuable weekends sweeping, mopping, and scrubbing bathrooms. The stress never seems to end, and your free time completely disappears. It's time to get your peace of mind back. Insert your business name. We handle the heavy lifting. We'll leave your home spotless, fresh, and sparkling while you just sit back and relax. Train reliable staff with a 100% satisfaction guarantee. That's pretty good, right? And here's the rest with what headlines to use on meta ad, the description, and what to choose as far as using the right CTA button. Now let's move on to our second use case, which is using AI as our translator. I'm gonna use Gemini for this demo because that's my favorite app. And in that, you can activate voice mode by clicking the three dash that are upside down to activate it. Hey Gemini, I want you to act as my translator. I own a home cleaning business and I'm meeting with a client right now who only speaks Spanish. I want you to be my translator. I'm gonna tell you what to translate and then you translate that to her. Is that okay?
That's a great idea. I can definitely help with that. Just let me know what you want to say and I'll translate it into Spanish.
All right. Can you ask her if she can tell me what kind of cleaning she wants to be done in this house?
¿Podría decirme qué tipo de limpieza desea que se realice en esta casa?
Great. Now ask her how often she needs it done.
¿Con qué frecuencia necesita que se realice este servicio?
Great. One last question. When do you need it done by?
¿Para cuándo lo necesita?
And that's how I would use AI for local expansion, serving another demographics in your local area that prior to this, you wouldn't be able to because of the language barrier. Now you can use AI to bridge that gap. If you want the prompt in this video, you can grab them for free in my free Skool community with the link below. Thank you for watching.